Boom! Finishing the horizontal motions, we have the extreme horizontal motions, which take you to the end and to the beginning of the line. So I'm here in this line number 20. Just gonna add some white space here to the end, so you can see there's white space. Now we have 4 motions that we can use to go to the beginning or the end of the line. And their use depends on whether we want to end up in some white space or on some character. So for instance, let's say that I'm there in the middle somewhere of this line and I want to go to the very beginning of the line. I type O and I get there. If I type how do you call this thing? Damn it. If you type caret, you get to the beginning of the line, but where there is some text. And likewise for the end of the line, you have also 2 options. Dollar gets you to the very end of the line, including white space, so that's the opposite of O. And then you have G underscore, which takes you to the end of the line where there is a non-white space character. In this case, you can see that we should be here in the semicolon, but we're here. That means that VS Code Vim has a bug in this feature. So now we need to report. But anyway, normally what happens is that I never use this for. I just use O and dollar. Normally you never have any white space there, so basically you use dollar and you get to the end anyway, and they're pretty easy to type, dollar and the 0. So that's what the ones I typically use. So let's summarize. We have O, start of the line, caret, start of the line with characters, dollar, end of the line, opposite to O, and finally we have the V underscore, which is the end of the line with characters.